Hey everyone, Google just dropped what they're calling the biggest update to the Android ecosystem in years. And honestly, there's a lot to unpack here. We're talking AI integration across the board, a complete Android Auto redesign, and even a whole new product category. So let's break down everything that was announced at the Android show and what it actually means for you. Let's start with Android 17. This isn't a massive visual overhaul, but the changes run deep. The standout feature is smarter context-aware autofill powered by Gemini Intelligence. Android will now pull information from your Gmail, photos, and other apps to automatically fill forms. Planning a trip? It can grab your flight details and populate booking forms instantly. For content creators, there's native screen recording with screen reactions. You can record your screen with a picture-in-picture of yourself reacting. And here's big news. Adobe Premiere is finally coming to Android this summer, complete with exclusive templates for creating YouTube shorts directly on your phone. Instagram on Android is getting a major quality boost too. Google partnered with Meta to optimize the entire capture-to-upload pipeline. According to Google's testing using their universal video quality model, flagship Android devices now match or exceed their main competitors' quality. Features like Ultra HDR, night sight integration, and built-in stabilization are coming to the Instagram app itself. The real centerpiece is Gemini Intelligence. Google is pushing what they call agentic AI that doesn't just answer questions, but actually takes actions for you across apps. Rambler is one standout feature. It cleans up your voice-to-text dictation by removing filler words like, and organizing your rambling thoughts into coherent messages. It even handles switching between languages mid-sentence. Gemini Intelligence goes further, with demonstrations showing automated booking, form filling using your personal data, and custom widget creation through text prompts. You can snap a photo of a grocery list and have Gemini build a delivery cart from it. Now, here's where we need realistic expectations. These demo features always look incredible on stage, but real-world reliability is what matters. Google has a history of ambitious AI promises, so the proof will be in everyday use. Android Auto is getting what Google calls its biggest update ever. The navigation features immersive navigation, a 3D view showing buildings, overpasses, terrain, specific lanes, traffic lights, and stop signs. For cars with Google built in, there's even live lane guidance using your car's front camera to show exactly which lane you're in. Gemini capabilities are coming to your car too. You can ask vehicle-specific questions like, what does this dashboard symbol mean? Or will this fit in my trunk? And get answers specific to your car model. And yes, you can now watch full HD video at 60 frames per second on supported apps like YouTube while parked. When you shift into Drive, it automatically transitions to audio-only mode without stopping playback. Now for the completely new category, Googlebook. That's one word, not Google Books. This is essentially the successor to Chromebooks, running a new operating system codenamed Aluminium OS that merges Android and ChromeOS. The pitch is intelligence as the new spec, built around Gemini from the ground up. These devices from HP, Dell, Lenovo, Acer, and Asus feature Magic Pointer. Wiggle your cursor over any image or text to trigger AI analysis. You can ask questions, extract information, or interact with content in new ways. They also come with a distinctive glow bar, a multicolored light strip, and improved phone-to-laptop integration for seamless continuity. These launch fall 2026. Here's what you need to know. Most of these features launch summer 2026, initially on flagship Pixel and Samsung Galaxy devices before rolling out to other Android phones later in the year. Google has a track record of staged rollouts, so availability will vary by region and device. There's also privacy to consider. These AI features require access to your emails, photos, location, and personal information. Google says processing happens on device where possible, but it's worth thinking about what you're comfortable sharing. Google is clearly betting that deep AI integration is Android's future. On paper, many of these features look genuinely useful for reducing everyday friction. Whether they deliver in daily use remains to be seen. What do you think? Are you excited about this direction or taking a wait-and-see approach? Let me know in the comments.